Well, happy Friday, everybody. Oh, Autumn stole my drink. Say hi.
Hi. I'm just getting a drink.
Look, it's February. We're in shorts. Yeah, it's still warm here. It was 83 yesterday. I couldn't believe it, but I'm not going to complain. I love it. It's nice, beautiful weather. Thank you, Lord. But I released my video this morning. I'm working on this pressure washer. Had to think there for a minute. I'm getting old. Anyway, trying to figure out what I did wrong, or if I did something wrong, or if that's just something wrong with the carburetor. But I did put in there about the gasket, and I came outside last night when I was editing the video, and this gasket does not cover that hole right there, or that one. So I'm gonna take it off and look at it. I got some gaskets turned around somewhere. That's not good, Charlie. Let me move you over here so just watch. Penny, every time a side-by-side goes by or a four-wheeler, she wants to bark and chase her. Penny, hush. They're building my niece a house back over there on their property. Got dump trucks going in and out. I think they poured the slab yesterday, but I'm not for sure. Seen a concrete truck over there. We got a Pafford clan around here. How many families are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 families of Paffords over here. My brother started off here first, then me, then his son, then his daughter. Now he got 2 of his son's kids living here. Of course, there's like almost 40 acres here, so everybody's spread out. Let's see. Get this piece back off. Gotta get some pliers. Hang on. If it runs, I'm gonna go get some new hoses to go on this thing, because they're a little dry rotted. Come on. Autumn, what are you doing to my toolbox? Dumping it. Anyway, apparently this is the wrong gasket. This is the gasket supposed to go there. This gasket's hiding everything. So I need to make sure the rest of the gaskets that I put on here are right. They're still stuck on here. See, this gasket should have went on the back side. I just messed up altogether, I think. Well, anyway, they had the front gasket on the back side and the back gasket on the front side. Lord help me. Okay, that's the way it shows to go. We'll see. I guess that makes a big difference, have the right gaskets in the right place. I better check it one more. Well, I'm pretty sure I had that one right. Yep, that one's right. Had that one wrong. And this one's supposed to go here. It don't cover that hole. Don't know if y'all can see that. Doesn't cover a hole. The other gasket I had covered that hole. I don't know if it makes that much difference, but we're about to find out. Live and learn, live and learn. Gotta get that fuel line back on. Had to find something to plug it. It was spewing gas. Spring back on. The link gets back on. Lord, let this be it. This hole back. Well, let me put the... Yeah. He's over there hanging like a monkey. Yeah, what do y'all think, guys? You think that's the problem? Putting the gaskets on wrong? Could be. Chickens, lay them eggs. Okay. I'm gonna keep this old carburetor and see if I can find a needle and seat kit for it and clean it up. Have a spare. Well, that's buttoned back up. Another problem I had was water spraying out of this. I don't know what it's called. I'll call it an orifice. But there's a little slot right there. I might have to take it off and check it out. I think there's a spring in there. I'm not going to worry about that right now. Just got to get it running first. Oh, let me get it off the table and get the water lines hooked up. And we'll be back. Well, a moment of truth. Well, they're on. Well, the pump kept stopping because had pinch holes. But moral of the story, check your gaskets, check your gasket, check your gaskets. It's purring like a kitty now. Y'all, please like and share, and pray for me. Say bye.
Bye.
Hey, we love you guys. Thank y'all for watching and subscribing and all that good stuff. So this is the end of this video, unless it messes up again. So save me a bunch of money. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.